Stop wasting time with subpar screens. Switch to top SHAKER screen for reliability and performance. If you're in the oil and gas industry, you know the importance of reliable API-compliant SHAKER screens. Top SHAKER screen manufactures top-notch replacement screens compatible with major brands like M-I SWACO, BRANDT and KEMTRON. Our state-of-the-art plant features 200 machines producing screens that power over 500 rigs and 3,000 shakers worldwide. Choose from our versatile screen types: flat for standard, pyramid for more surface area, metal frame for durability, and composite frame for lightweight performance. With API RP13C compliance, our screens ensure precise particle separation, saving costs and protecting the environment. Trust Top SHAKER screen for quality, reliability, and compatibility. Lower mud loss, reduce downtime, and boost operational efficiency. Ready to optimize your solids control system? Contact us today at sales@topshakerscreen.com or WhatsApp +8613132436786. Subscribe for more drilling solutions and hit the bell for updates.